Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by cleaning both the earlobe and the clip-on earring. This removes oils that reduce grip. Once done, examine the hinge and clasp for gaps or bent parts so you know what to correct. Use a soft cloth to protect finish, and position a small flat plier to gently close a loose hinge by squeezing a hairline amount. Make sure to apply pressure incrementally so you don't over-tighten and damage the mechanism. Next, focus on creating more grip and comfort. After minor tightening, slide a thin silicone sleeve onto the clip jaw or press a pea-sized drop of clear nail polish onto the inner pad to increase friction. Let polish dry fully. Make sure to test the pressure and comfort by wearing the earring for a short period, about 15 to 20 minutes, so you can feel if it pinches or slips. If it pinches, slightly ease the hinge. If it slips, add a second thin sleeve or another tiny polish layer. To finish, place a self-adhesive cushion pad on the inner clip face to both protect skin and add secure contact area. Press firmly so it bonds. Once installed, trim any protruding sleeve with sharp scissors and recheck the hinge action and comfort by wearing the earring for another short interval. If the clip still moves or pops off despite adjustments, replace the clip mechanism or take the earring to a jeweler. This prevents damage and is the key troubleshooting step if home fixes fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.